Let's talk about sneezing. We're starting to see that the secret behind sneezing is related to how the nerves in your nose are connected to your brainstem and trigger a reflex sneezing. Furthermore, we believe that the secret to understanding sneezing lies in a circuit between your nose to your brainstem and back. And what we also understand now is that there are particles on allergens or even viruses that can directly stimulate these nerves to trigger this reflex. And how this relates to allergies is rather than just taking antihistamines all the time, we could develop a drug that specifically suppresses the sneezing reflex. Follow for more groundbreaking research in relation to sneezing and allergies.